Hey guys, thank you for clicking on this video. We are going to be doing my 4-month lock update. I cannot believe it's been 4 months already. I feel like, well, actually no, it's pretty believable. It's been 4 months. But I still can't believe, I've been sticking through with my little lock babies for the past 4 months, and it has definitely been nowhere as difficult as I thought it was going to be. We're gonna start talking about month 4. This month, I don't really feel like I have anything to update you all on because, I don't know, I feel like my hair, nothing significant has happened with it. So I will say that sometimes I'll wake up in the morning and I'll just feel like my hair looks different. It'll happen randomly, like just one day I'll wake up and I'll be like, my hair looks different today. No, like I don't really see any main difference except that it's starting to look more like locks instead of the twist. The twist pattern on some of my locks is definitely going away pretty fast compared to some of my other locks. This month's update will be more so just a up close look at my hair. Just because, like I said, I don't really have anything to update you guys on. The only thing that I can really think of is just that strands of my hair are starting to, bud more, and my locks are starting to get thicker up towards the roots. This past month, I've only washed my hair once, and that was a few days ago, which is why my hair does not look any type of retwisted. Like, the only scalp you can see is my part. But I'll give you guys a closer look at the end of this video. So you guys will not be seeing my hair retwisted in this video just because I'm not planning on retwisting my hair for the month of October. So I'm going to try to go 2 months without retwisting my hair, which I don't think I'll have a problem doing. But if I do end up going through with that, then you guys will see me and my freshly retwisted hair in next month's update, which is November. In this video, I wanted to touch a little more on why I initially decided to lock my hair in the first place. I feel like I've never really talked about that on my channel. I was debating on whether or not I would make it a separate video or not, but honestly I think I'm just gonna do it in this video because I don't have a whole lot of reasons. But yeah, so basically I hate doing my hair. Like, I'm more than capable of doing my hair. I don't struggle to style it, but it is just very time consuming, and so like that's a lot of the reason why I would wear protective styles. Like, I wear a lot of wigs, braids, twists. I did not want to deal with my hair, especially being a full-time college student. I was not trying to take hours out of every day to figure out what to do with my hair. So it was either in a wig or it was in braids. And that's pretty much the entire reason why I decided to lock my hair, because I don't like doing my hair. I don't feel like I should have to take hours out of every single day to figure out what I'm gonna do with my hair. No, boo, it's not the life for me. I have no intentions of changing my hair anytime soon. I'm not saying that I never will change my hair, but as of right now, we're gonna have these babies for a long time. I'm kind of like jumping around a lot in this video, so I'll try my best to make it as coherent and organized as possible for you all. I have been looking at the comments. Thank you guys so much for leaving comments on my videos. But yeah, so I think I'm going to wrap this video up. Like I said, month 4 has been pretty uneventful. Nothing's really changed with my hair. I will show you guys a close-up, and that's all I got for you guys. I just want to thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel, because we are officially at, wait, let me check. As of October 1st, we are officially at 612 subscribers. So again, I just want to thank you guys for clicking on these videos. If you haven't liked it yet, please like the video and subscribe if you are not subscribed yet.